Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Frank's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some ODI grips. I recently started installing these on all the bikes that I get, and they are super simple to install and take off, and they look sweet, so let's hit it, baby. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and take these grips off. You can either pull them off and cut them sometimes, but let's see. Alright, man, let's freaking uninstall this thing. I need to take this throttle tube out. Real quick. You might be able to see, you might not, but you pretty much you're gonna pull the throttle cable out of the throttle tube. Throttle tube is out with the grip, so these cams are removable. They just pop off they pop off and pop back on. So depending on what you're using, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, they're all certain applications, but it's pretty universal. It comes with four different little cams, and yeah, we're just gonna figure out which one is the one we need. Like I was saying, okay, so these ODI grips come with different cams. Okay. Inside the tube we found instructions. So Yamaha YZ250 Cam C 2000. Pop the cam off this guy. So pretty much just pops off, and you put cam C on. Depending on how you position the cam will give you your final grip placement. So I'm pretty sure the throttle cable's up here, so if you want the EMIG facing sort of towards you, I want to say that it's going to be like right around here somewhere. So I think this will give it to you where you can have it positioned like this, sort of. Alright, this is going to go back in here. It's going to go okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install the left grip now. I go ahead and has a little Allen key here. You just go ahead and loosen it. Put it on. Sort of match the other one. And then you just literally tighten the Allen key. As simple as that, believe it or not. Beautiful. Sweet, there you go, man. And that is how you install these ODI grips.